Okay, I'm going to talk about the mapping we've done, and really a couple other people were actively involved in this. Matthew Richardson, Sonda, as well as George Alter is here. ICPSR is a data repository for social and behavioral science data, lots of social science surveys in particular. This is just showing you, if you search on a study, what the results will look like. You're taken usually to a study level landing page. So we have extensive information about high level study information. We also have variable level information, so metadata related to specific questions or even values. If someone wants to go in and download a data set, the data are available in a number of formats, from raw ASCII files to R and SAS and state and the like. Metadata are also available in a variety of exports, and we now provide DATS 2.1 as one format. So for us, we went into this metadata mapping exercise starting with DDI. It's the Data Documentation Initiative. All of our studies are described using DDI. And we started there, and we're able to map directly from the study level DDI metadata into existing DATS data set description elements. And you can see here a number of them are shown, also creator, title, keywords. But several elements weren't contained within our DDI metadata, and so we went in and described those separately. You can see, for instance, value, authentication, simple login is one example. And so it was a process of looking at our existing DDI metadata, mapping that over, and then adding information that wasn't there within the files. It's a pretty straightforward process. This just shows how we bundle that existing metadata from our Oracle databases and make it available in this JSON format for the DATS metadata. Some things we're looking at moving forward with DATS 2.2. You have geographic information that's available to be described. So making that geographic information that we capture in DDI available to our end users in DATS, as well as better describing our variable level details. There's the opportunity to do that within DATS. We haven't done that so far, so we're looking at mapping those over. So with that, leave it open to questions, or we can move on to the next one. What was the level of effort, actually? It was pretty basic, right? So it was a pretty straightforward mapping of the existing DDI elements. There was some digging around initially, but the documentation certainly helped. Matthew was the guy who did this, was there at the workshop last year, so I think that helped as well.